All right. I think we're good to go. All right. I think we're good to go. So, we're gonna continue on where I left off last time here. Let's catch up and see where we left off. Let's get the project open. Okay, so gonna be working on, actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna restart this Twitch stream here. It says it's unstable. I think my, what's it called? The bit rate's too high. I'm trying to fiddle around with my OBS settings and actually see what's best here. Okay, if you're on Twitch, I'm just restarting the stream here. Alright, there we go. Bumped it down to 4,000. We'll see how that is for a bit rate. Okay, it says excellent now. Okay. Let's head over to here. Actually, give me 1 second. I'm just going to open up my to-do list. Make sure I don't have anything personal. Yeah, we're good. All right. So, forecast is what I'm working on right now. Started that in the last stream, and yeah, we'll see what we got to today, but there's some stuff to clean up, make it look nicer. So I'm gonna head over to, let's just open up, see what we left off with here. So the forecast looks like this, and concept is you stick in your current balance. So say it's like 1,500 and your checking account or whatever, you put 1,500 in. Then you did a forecast of what your balance will look like after these different items, bills, paychecks, and everything come in or out. So some things I want to add. I want to add a date in so you can see what the date is, and then we'll make this look a bit nicer. Okay. So let's go over here. And turn the screen back on, and then we'll head over to our forecast. I don't think I committed anything yet. Let's go forecast index. So I'm going to add in a date. I don't think I have that in our item mapping. So let's go to our forecast controller, and let's see here. So we have item balances. We got name, amount, direction, balance. Let's toss in our date, payment date. Let's go item.payment date. And let's actually go friendly payment date, because I don't believe we need to do anything with the payment date in here other than display it. So let's add this in. And go payment date. All right, cool. Now let's organize this better here. What I want to do here. So I definitely want the balance at the very end. I think I want the name. Well, obviously the name first, then probably the date next, and then maybe the amount underneath it. And then I'll also want to display this. I'm gonna get rid of in and out, and if it's in, it'll just say the number. If it's out, it will display the number as a negative. So let's do that. So we'll get rid of direction, and then we'll go window light. How do I want to do this? Add a helper here. Go forecast helper. We'll call it item amount. And we'll go item amount, and then we'll go item equals item times -1 if item direction is out. Of course, there's different ways to do that. We'll go item mount and we'll pass in the entire item. Delete 2 there. Let's see if that works. Okay, it's not lighting the direction. We're passing in the item. I'm not using bybug here. Did I spell something wrong? What's going on here? Did I not save it maybe? Okay, let's see. Continue that. Head back to our browser, reload. Direction. Item. Oh, we're passing in. Are we passing in the amount? Not in the world. Undefined method. For 15.0 float is in our helper item amount. What in the world? Is this not like just saving? Oh, I can't put. Oh no, I should be able to use number to currency, but let's just do this for a moment here. Alright, let's change this music too. This is way too slow. Let's try this one. That's definitely not slow. Okay. Really odd. Oh, what the deal is here? If I pass in direction here, let's see what happens. Let's see if we get this. Let's do this first. Go 1500. Then item. Okay. What the heck? I feel like I'm going crazy right now. What am I doing? Okay, this music has gotta go too. Let's delete this for a sec. Let's just go debugger. Reload this. 1500. Item. Item amount. That works. Item direction. That works. Should work. Unless it's because we're doing something here. Let's try that. If item direction equals out. Alright, that worked. So we just had to add some brackets around that there. Oh, we got it again. What's going on here? Oh, duh. Okay, I'm changing. Wow. Okay, let's go like this. I amount. That was ridiculous. Is that a sign for how this voting session is gonna go? Hope not. This shouldn't be item. This should just be amount. Gee, all right. There we go. All right, so paycheck. Let's change this. Let's just go like this. This is stupid. So we'll go delete this, delete that. This, if it's out, then we'll just go item amount times -1, otherwise it's just item amount. There we go. And then we want to put that back in a number to currency. There we go. Okay, so let's do this. Let's like this. Class font bold. This bold class equals font bold. Okay, and then we'll make these a bit smaller. And actually, let's go text gray 500. Same for this one, text gray 500. Let's go class leading tight. Shrink that up a bit. Good. And all right, that's decent. Maybe I'll add in the icon as well. Go item icon. Okay. Maybe even extra small. I think the icon's almost a little bit distracting. Fine. We'll keep it in there. And then we'll just go items center. So center's nicer here. There we go. Alright. And now, add some color into our item amounts. Actually, you know what? I think what I'm going to do is if this is a income item, then the background will be like a light green or something here, just to make it stand out a bit more. So let's go back to our helper. Let's go item background. So we'll go direction equals in. We'll go BG teal, actually probably green 100. Otherwise, just go BG white. And then plug this in here. Item direction. I think that's good. It gives you kind of like a clear indicator of when your next income is. Wonder if I should have almost like an arrow in here saying like it went up or down since the last one. Yeah, maybe. Maybe even over here on the left-hand side. Let's see how that looks. So, let's say direction indicator. Direction. And then we'll go direction equals in. Go FA regular. Actually, no, let's go FA. Yeah, FA regular, FA circle up arrow. That might be wrong. Might have to change that. But let's try it. FA regular, FA circle up. No, down arrow. And then go like this. Go I class. Plug this in here. Direction indicator. Direction. Item direction. Okay. Font awesome. See what this icon actually is. So we'll go circle up. Something like this. Let's use this one. FA regular, FA circle up. Okay, so just get rid of the arrow. Okay, that's good. Now, what is our justify between? So let's not do that anymore. Let's get rid of this. Let's go make this grow. Okay. And then let's make this a gray. Text gray 300. Too light 400. It's all right. Let's actually not do that. Let's just get rid of this and then we'll add it in here. So we'll go FA, no, we'll just go text green 300. And then we'll go text gray 400. Let's try 300. Let's make this green darker. Okay. I'll make that bigger. Go text XL. And you know what? I'm gonna put this over here. See how that looks. It's better, I think. Okay. That's pretty good. I'm gonna make the name clickable. So let's go, I'm gonna need the ID here. Item.id. Go link to name item. Path will be item ID. Okay, good. And let's go class font or hover text teal 500. All right, good. Add a little bit of padding in here. Or a bit more padding, I should say. Just on our left-hand side. Let's try 6. Too much. 5. All right, that's good. So, it's pretty good so far. I'm trying to think, is there anything else I want here? Dates are showing in the right order. I don't know, I think that's pretty good. Let's just see how things look on mobile. It's also pretty good. Spacing's decent. I think the only thing is just the overall padding here is too much. That occurs over here. So let's go tweak that in our application layout. So we'll go It's 4 maybe. Maybe even less, 3. I think that's better. Make sure it doesn't affect anything negatively here. No, it's better here too. Need to fix that. It shouldn't wrap like that. Alright, good. So we go 1500. Make sure I can put in a comma. It still works. Yes, it does. Let's change it, make sure. Yeah. Alright, good. Yeah, I think that does it for the forecast. So I'm gonna commit these changes. Alright, well, what's on our to-dos next here? Month budget. Yeah, might as well start that. Okay, so... create a new route called budgets. I'll set up a view for this. Template. All right. Then we'll head over to budgets. Budget. Okay, good. And then this budget. Also, add in our, make our link clickable in our header. Good. Grab forecast index. Grab our headings here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go something like this where I put the current month here. So we'll go this class flex gap to then we'll go have a left arrow here, right arrow here. We're gonna have the current month here. say month name here, something like that. I think I want to make this a wider screen. And go font awesome, regular FA arrow left. Okay. And then I would go actually, what do I do this for? I make this a link. We'll go link to budget path, and then we have to make some different methods here. So this budget helper, go previous month path, go next month path. Okay, and then, okay, what do I want to do here? I might just actually make a new model, not an active record, but just say plain old Ruby object. So that I can have these, instead of making helpers, I can kind of load in. Yeah, let's do that. I think that makes sense. We'll go, let's go to item, back, we'll make a budget, RB, call it class budget, and then we'll go initialize with a date, and go month. We'll have a previous month, have a previous month date. Oh, we'll just leave previous month as a date, and then we'll go next month. And then you can also go previous month path. Actually, I don't even think we need to do that, so let's just do this. And go month equals date.parse date. Probably be passing a string, so let's change this to date string. All right, so let's see how this will work here. So if we go over to our budget controller, we can go budget equals budget dot new, and we'll pass in params date string. Unless it's date string is blank, in which case we'll just default to current month. So let's go this date dot now. Actually, what is date dot now is date dot current, date dot today. All right, so our today is in local time, so let's use that today. And that. Now, if there is no parameter set here, okay, what should I do here? Let's go date equals date.parse. Params date string. If params date string is present, otherwise just pass a nil. We'll just go today. We'll just set it here, and then we won't do this. Okay, and then we can go date budget.new date. Don't need to parse this because we are passing in an actual date. All right, and then now let's go month name, and we can go month is it just M? To put this here now, we can go missing something here. What am I missing? We got our budget path. Go that. Go do. And okay, plug this in. We'll go budget month name. Okay, so it's not that. This? Nope. Let's just ask AI this one here. Okay, so I need fix this so that I get the month as full month, like January. So it's just capital B. Capital B. There we go. All right, so we got the month name showing here. Let's do this. We're gonna go next or previous month equals budget dot new month plus or minus 1 month. Same thing down here. We'll change this to next month. No. Here. Next month. Change this to plus. Now, let's see. Well, we actually haven't hooked that up yet, so let's do that. This should pass in. So I'm looking at the date string. So let's go. Actually, let's create a method for this. Month, date, string. We're gonna go, we need a year first, so let's go percent, year, and then dash. Except now this time we actually do want the numerical version of it. And then we can go date, string. Let's just go like this. We'll go month, date, string, budget. Change this to month. So now when I hover over that, I get this link and I click on that, it takes me to that. Now it's not liking that parsing, so why is that? Invalid date. We need the full with a day as well, so let's just do this. Back. Now that gives us the day. Back. It's not taking me back. Because we are doing the wrong thing. We have to go previous month. There we go. That takes us back here, and we're going to December now. Okay, good. Let's now do the same thing. I might just make this method. We'll go previous. Okay, that works. Same thing down here. We'll use next month. Next month. Now we should be able to go back and forth. Yeah. Maybe I should add in the year here too, actually. So month and year. And we'll go like this and go like that. We'll change this to be month and year. It's better. Okay, so we're going back and forth. I would like that to stay the same size, but we'll style that moment here. Don't need the path. All right, so let's go to the budget page. It loads the current month. That's what we want. Okay, so now I'm going to add in, should have month items. And actually, no, it's gonna be month cat. Okay, so I want to do all the, basically I'm not showing items on this page, I'm just showing categories, and then we'll be displaying a breakdown of income and expenses. So, go categories equals current user categories. Where, no, I don't even need to do that. Just need to do this. Just order by name. Then let's head over here. Create a grid class. Grid calls. Let's go 5. Go call span 3. All span 2, and within here we'll have 2 different sections. We'll go, this one will be called income, will be called expenses. Have down here called in and out. Okay. BG white, rounded, Excel shadow. padding X or PY. Y. Let's go 4. Grab this to there. Bank to there. Go. Add a gap. Gap of 4, maybe not. Let's go 4 for now. Actually, I don't want this here. I want this here. All right, that's decent. Items start so they don't equalize heights. I think that's how you do it. Yeah, okay. And then let's add font, bold, text, XL. See how that looks. Okay. Cool. Okay, so we'll plug in these categories here. I might actually, let's do this. Say income categories, and then expense categories, and then we'll go, did I set up enum for this? No, so let's go enum, direction, in, out. Don't want a default for that. Now we can go this and just say in, and then we can also just go out. Then we can grab those, put them in here. So we'll go income categories, each do category. Go. Category name. Then we're also going to have one called category total. Let's put name in here again. Placeholder. Plug this in here. Let's grab this entire thing. Expense categories. All right, good. And then class flex justify between. Good. And let's just go like this for now. Get rid of that and say 0. Oops. 0. So we don't have any income categories showing here. All right, good. So let's add a income category called paychecks. In create category, so this should show up in our budget now. Paychecks there. Now, how do I want to do this? So probably for a budget, we'll have a category total. Should the category total belong to a category? Probably, yeah. Let's say monthly total for category. So let's get rid of that for a moment. This. And we'll go monthly total. This will grab all items and sum the amount. But it needs to be where payment date is between date, month, start, month, end. So we'll go equals date dot, I think it's start of or beginning of month. Yeah, there we go. Beginning of month. And then this would be date dot end of month. We can go month start to month end. And actually I don't need to do anything here. I can go category dot monthly total, put in our date, which is our month. What did we have here again? We had budget. We just need to go budget month. Do the same down here. See if that works. All right, cool. And then let's also number to currency. No, I'm gonna go income month total. Let's just call it month income. So we're going to go category items. Actually, no, grab all categories. Actually, we don't even need to do that. We just need to go grab all items. Go user, default it to the current user. User items. Let's create another method called current, actually a scope. Scope called current month, or just month, and we can pass in a month, and we'll go start or month date, and we'll default to date today dot start beginning of month. Then we'll go where payment date is month date to month date end of month. Okay, so let's give that a try, and we can then just go in here and go items, pass in our month, and that should do it. So our month income, let's try that. So we're gonna go over here and do that. We'll go, say, so this is going to be income. And we'll go budget dot month income. Let's see. Doesn't work. Wrong number of arguments given 1, expected 0. Okay. So we're getting we need to go some amount. Now, the only issue is this isn't going to... Actually, you know what? We can go in, and that will be accurate. Alright, good. If I go to paychecks, huh? We do see one here. It's not showing up in our categories for some reason. We'll have to check that out. But it is calculating our income correctly here. Number to currency. And we'll just do the same thing again for expenses. Expenses. And we'll change this to expenses. And then create that method. Change this to out. All right, cool. I want to make these categories clickable. When you click on the category, it should load that category for that specific month that you're currently looking at. Okay, well, you know what? I think I'm gonna end it at that for tonight. So anything else I want to add right now? Let's see what happens when we go back and forth here. So that's good. Forward in time. It's changing. So that should be accurate. So we can go forward and see our budgets for each month. I do want to make it so that when you click on the current month, it takes you back to the current month. So let's go link to, we'll go budget path. So now when I click on here, it takes me back to January. That seems okay. So that's, yeah, that makes sense because this isn't using categorized items, so it can be uncategorized and it'll still. So let's do that. Let's just make an uncategorized category, and then I'll call it a night here. Let's go to say more. Budget controller. Go what do I need? I just need the amount. So if I go income uncategorized, Go current.user.items.month. Month. Budget. Month, and then go in, and then sum, amount. Same for expenses, but let's put it down here. This should be then I can go over here and add in a uncategorized at the bottom. This. Say uncategorized. And we'll go income uncategorized. Same here. This will be expense uncategorized. Okay, good. So we do have a, well, there must be a uncategorized paycheck or something. Although this would not be calculating correctly then. Oh no, I'm not actually. Okay, yeah. So I need to go where category ID is nil. Where category ID is nil. There we go. We got uncategorized there showing as well. It's calculating the sum. And our numbers are all lining up, I believe. So 144 plus 161. Well, that's not lining up there. All right, well, I'm going to dig into this more tomorrow or whenever I stream next and figure out why these are not calculating correctly. But that's a decent start. And yeah, maybe I'll just add a couple to-dos. We'll say month budget. Categories should be clickable and go to category with items for that month. Create another. Bring this up here. And this one will be fix our calculations. Yeah, I think that's it for now. And then just add some better styling in for this kind of stuff here. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Pull this up here. All right, well, that's it for tonight. See you on the next one.